Okay guys, this is how to complete your task from this review app and earning money influencer. Okay, so but the username is react n slash bot. Okay, so when task is available, so this update is legit, but they are paying higher, and the reason why they are paying higher, they don't normally drop task every time. So make sure you join my Telegram community link so that anytime they drop a task, I will notify you guys there. If you are watching this video from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere you are watching this video, make sure you join my Telegram community link, because that's the only way I notify my people when they drop their task. They don't normally drop task every time. So if you see this task now, see the amount they are paying 3.2 USDT per task. Okay, so only for you just to complete download app on this one. You just download the app and then screenshot it, then submit the screenshot here, follow the instructions. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, so this is the first instruction. When there are tasks available, make sure you read the instruction to the end. Okay, so the one you are seeing, this mark with this logo, is the one we are downloading. So now I'm going to search the Plinko game, and then the one with this logo is the one I will download. After I download it, I will screenshot it, come and submit it. Okay, so now you see this is the app. Now I will install it. After installing it and it's open, I will screenshot it and went and unlocked it here. So let's install it first. So after you are done installing the app, click on complete task. After that, they will ask you a question: do you install the app? You see the logo here. If the app is the one you install, click on yes. So you see they say, and read this instruction, then submit the screenshot. Okay, this is the screenshot that I have taken. After you submit the screenshot and click on finish, then you are going to see a message like this. Then if you want to continue with the task, click on join a new task. If there is task available, you see it. Now there is no task. You see there are no available tasks, but they will be coming soon. We will be sure to let you know. Stay in touch. This is the reason why I said you should join my Telegram channel, so that whenever there is a task to complete, I will notify you guys in my Telegram channel. Okay, so thank you guys. I wish you happy cash out.